Hello, I'm Monica Martinez, and I'm going to be doing, I'm going to give you the differences and similarities between this book and the IPA system that we have studied before in the semester. So, the books I'm going to be using are the Summit 2. I have Summit 1 too, but the pronunciation table that they have is the same. And also, I'm gonna use the global. The global is from Macmillan editorial, and Summit 2 it is from Pearson. So um, um, I have used Summit 2 uh, in advanced 2, and the global I used it when I was in intermediate 2. So to begin, first I'm going to review the Summit 2 because this is the more similar that I found and with the IPA system because all the vowels are the same, the symbols are the same, and they don't make any change to the symbols. They don't include new ones and they don't exclude symbols. So basically, this is the same system. Maybe they use the IPA system, and all the consonants are also the same. They write it in the same way, and the only difference that I found it is that with that sound, because they have three types of sound. The first one is it is the one that we use in the IPA system. It is the T symbol, and you see it in the word tie and so on. And but we have a difference here with the words butter and bottle, and they write that T, but with kind of parentheses at the bottom of the T, and I think that it is to make a difference between the words which are um, written with double T and words that aren't written with double T. And also they have another T with a special mark in the right corner of the T. And as an example that they have is the word bottom. And basically that is the only one difference. And as I told you before, I used this book when I was in advanced. And basically they have used the IPA system. But I have also the global, and they have a variety of differences between the IPA system and the phonetic symbols that they used here. So first, all the consonants are basically the same. They don't make any change. They don't make any exception. Um, uh, all the graphemes are basically from the IPA system. They don't include anyone and they don't exclude anyone too. So so far there are no problem, but the problem comes with the single vowels and the diphthongs because uh, first they have the grapheme e with a colon, the lowercase e with a colon. It is the long e. The short e, it is the same grapheme. The e sound, it is different because we write it in like a inverted three, like an inverted three, and they write it like in lowercase e. So that is the second difference. And with the u, the long u, they write it. We write it like an lowercase u, and they write it in a lowercase u, but with a colon in the right side. The short u, it is the same. The o, um, It is the same symbol but with a colon in the right side. The A sound, it is the same. A also it is the same. I, it is the same. Oi is the same too, and the schwa it is the same. The differences are that they write some words um, with a different symbol. So, for example, they write top with like an lowercase a but inverted, and we write it with a lowercase in a normal way. That is there is one difference. And also they write stop and hot with the lowercase a inverted, and we write these words with the lowercase a normal. Another one is that the word what, they write the grapheme with the lowercase a inverted, and we write what with this with the symbol with um also they have the grapheme the grapheme a no, e, that three inverted but with colon in the right side, and they use it like a e with a ra that we have in the IPA system, the but stressed. And like in the words word, they use the three inverted with the colon, and we use the stressed. And learn also they write it with the three inverted, and we use the stressed. Also with some diphthongs, they have um they have some new diphthongs to me. They have the short e with a schwa, and short u with a schwa with a u, and e with a schwa, and those are the four new diphthongs that they managed, and we don't have it in the IPA system, and that was kind of confusing to me. So for example, in the short e with the schwa, they have the words here, Italian, and theater, and so these words we write it with the long e in the IPA system, ear, here, and so on. With the u and the schwa, they have tourist, plural, and short, and all of these words we write it with the short u. And also um, they have the words uh, hair, careful, there, where, and where, and they write these words with the grapheme e schwa, and all of these we write them with the with the stressed. That is one big difference. And also they have the words aunt, aunt, past, and laugh. They write it with the lowercase a and the colon at the right, and obviously we don't have that grapheme, so that symbol. So we write it with a, and basically that is the difference. Those are the difference that I found in this book. So I can say that they don't have some symbols, and in the IPA system doesn't exist some symbols that they used. And to me, this is the symbols that this book uses kind of confusing and a little bit difficult to understand. And those are the differences that I found.